Hello everyone, today we are going to start question number 6 of exercise 11.3. So question number 6 we have given that two solids are given, one is cylinder, other is a cube. We have to find the similarity. At first both have the same height 7 centimeters, so the similarity is same height. So the lateral surface area of the cube you can find by 4 into side square. Side is 7 centimeters, so 4 multiplied by 7 square is 49. If you multiply 49 with 4 you will get 196 centimeters square. Now lateral surface area of the cylinder is the formula 2 pi RH, and put the value of pi by your own, that is 22 by 7 or 3.14. So I'm taking 22 by 7 into radius is half of the diameter is 7, so radius is 7 by 2 into 7, cut 7 by 7, 2 by 2, and you can multiply this, you will get 154 centimeters. So you can see what have the more lateral surface area, that a cube have more lateral surface area and more material to make this hollow solids. Now question number 7, we have given a closed cylinder with the radius 7 meter and height 3 meter. The total surface area of the cylinder is, by the formula we know, is 2 pi r into h plus r. Just put the value of radius, that is 7, height 3, radius 7, then 7 cut by 7, 22 into 2 multiply by 7 plus 3 is 10. When you multiply this become 440 meter square. So the metal of the sheet required is 440 meter square. Now the question number 8, we have to transform a cylinder into a rectangle by cutting it through the height. So it will a hollow cylinder cut along its height and it formed a rectangle with the breadth 33 meter. So we know that when a cylinder is cut through the height, it forms the rectangular sheet. So the area of the rectangular sheet will be same as the area of the cylinder. So by the formula we know that area of rectangle is length into breadth, and area of the cylinder we have given 4224 centimeters square. Put the value of breadth here, this is in centimeters, right? So length is equal to this by 33. If you cut it you will get 128 centimeter. It will cut at 3, then it will cut at 11. Now it will get 128 centimeter is the required length of this rectangular sheet. Now come to question number we have given here, this is question number 9. Here we have given length is 15, breadth is 10, height is 7. We have to find out the area that to be painted, right? It is area of the 4 walls and the ceiling. We have to left the bottom. So the area of 4 walls is 2h into L plus B, and area of the ceiling is LB. So put all the values. When you solve you will get 500 meter square. Now we have given 100 meter square can painted with one can, and one will be painted with 1 by 100, and 500 meter square will be painted in 500 by 100. You can cut it and you will get 5 cans, right? Now come to question number 9. This is, we have given that in a revolution a roller can cover the area, use its lateral surface. So to cover one revolution is the CSA of the cylinder. And we have given that the diameter of the roller is 84 centimeter, radius will be half of the diameter, that is 42 centimeter, height is 1 meter, you can convert it and get 100 centimeter. Now the lateral surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi RH. So this is 2 into 22 by 7, R is 42 and H is 100. So you can cut 7 6 and after multiplication you will get this one, right? And 26,400, right? To cover one to get one revolution the area covered is 26,400, and to cover 750 revolution we have to multiply this and we will get this in centimeter square. Now we have to convert this into meter by dividing the number by 10,000. So if you divide this by 10,000 you will get 1,980 meter square. So this is the solution of question number 9. So that's all for today.